Do you have what it takes to be an actor? Duet me and let's find out. You are the blue line. Hey, give me that.
What?
Give me that. I want it, okay?
Oh, you want this? Where?
I did.
I'm sure you didn't.
Okay, I stole it. All right?
You stole it?
Don't tell anyone. No,
Charlie.
especially don't tell him.
I can't talk to Charlie.
No.
I don't need to tell Charlie because I can just tell him as bump into him, you know, because, you know, when me and Charlie are not friends. Plus I found this with his secret
Where did
stash
you
of...
find that?
Not where you think.